Humanity's interest in the heaven has been universal and enduring, but curiosity and exploration are vital to human spirit. And accepting the challenge of going deeper into space is just amazing. Good day to everyone. I am Anagha Karnis from Vijaya Vittala Vidyashala, Mysore, studying in class 9th standard, and here are my two friends, Adithya V and Samarth, sharing my presentation. Today, we are going to present an idea which is as noble as donating our eyes to the blind. Literally, our model here will prove to be a great opportunity for all the space navigations. It is not a hidden fact that space navigation is extremely risky with all those comets, asteroids, meteors, and who knows what else hoping to make us the next space tragedy. In our model, we are going to focus on a small part of our solar system, which consists of the Earth, the Moon, the Mars, and the asteroid belt which is present between the Mars and the Jupiter. We are also considering a set of satellites in our model. In our model, we are focusing on two concepts. The first concept focuses on space navigation. This system will prove to be a great blessing for all the astronomers and space navigators because we can accurately locate all the objects in the space lifetime. In the second concept, we are focusing on one of the biggest problems of our Earth, that is the emptying of natural resources. Here we are going to present the best possible solution for this problem. We all know that asteroids are not just chunks of ice and dirt, but are also rich in various minerals. The C-type asteroids are rich in water, whereas the S-type and the M-type of asteroids are rich in numerous metals. In the first concept, we are focusing on space navigation, or the deep space mapping system as we call it. This model consists of a set of satellites which help in accurately locating all the objects in the space lifetime. One satellite will be covering its specified area and sending its information to the computer lifetime. If a body goes out of the tracking area of one satellite, then the tracking is carried on by the satellite adjacent to it. My friend will show the working of this model. Here we can see that the satellite has sent the message and we can track the information on our mobile. Now my friend Samarth will give a detailed explanation of the second concept.
The other concept we are going to present is the extraction of minerals from asteroid with the help of satellite without the presence of human. You can make out that this is an asteroid which is rich in mineral. First, we will locate an asteroid in the asteroid belt with the help of the deep space mapping system. This is the first concept as shown by my friend Anagha. It is not a hidden fact that the Earth's resources are depleting at an alarming rate and are likely to be exhausted within a few decades if the same rate of extraction continues. But alas, we haven't been very successful in decreasing the rate of extraction. So, we have found an idea to reduce the rate of extraction. That is, our model, the extraction of asteroids. Here you can see an asteroid which is magnified. First, we are concentrating on three parts that are deep. We are concentrating only in the This concept has parts like the satellite and extractor machine and a pre-set-up storage system. Our pre-set-up storage system will be here around wherever we want. It can be in the Earth, Moon or Mars, wherever we can. Then first we'll make a setup of the satellite and make the mark of the asteroid which is rich in minerals. And then as satellites comes and goes around the Earth to mark us the location of the pre-set-up storage system. And then here is the satellite. First it comes around the asteroid to locate the minerals which is rich. First it gives the signal to the rover and helps and tells it to locate which part is good in minerals. So our rover locates a part which is good in minerals, then gives the signal to the satellite here to send the extractor to extract the machines. This is an extractor machine to extract the minerals from the asteroid. First here, as the signal comes to the extractor, it goes around the asteroid and collects the maximum level as it can the minerals, and then gives the signal to the satellite to take it back. This is how it works. Then the satellites come to the international storage setup and separates to the Earth. We can locate it wherever we want. Then according to the need, the pre-set-up storage system distributes the materials brought by the extractor, and then we can use it for our purposes like storage of gold, silver or whatever we want. It can also exist in liquids or even gases. Then we are using here the 4 R's, that is reuse, recycle and reduce of the we are using the 4R system here, that is reduce, reuse, recycle and research. And we can also reduce the efforts of people by extracting the minerals from the earth, and we can save earth. Now my friend Adithya will tell about the components used up in our model.
Hello everyone, myself Adithya. Now let's see what are the components used in our model. This is an Arduino UNO which is used to control our rover and extractor. Arduino Nano which is a controller for the GPS location system. We have used a GSM SIM 800 module for the SIM and for sending the message to the mission controller. This is a motor driver shield which is used to control our rovers. Double K flight controller is used for the drone which can control the satellite. GPS antenna module is used for the GPS tracking system. An HC05 Bluetooth module is to control the extractor which can be controlled by our module. I am very pleased to say that we have a ATL lab in our school. We have used most of the components in from the ATL lab. Now my friend will continue.
Now that my friends have explained the working of the model, now that my friends have told about the components used in the model and the working of the model, I would tell about the applications of this model. This model has numerous applications. I would like to list a few of them. This model will help in further research of all the objects in the space, as we can accurately track, locate and extract materials from this. As a direct consequence, the science and technology also will develop. It checks the interaction of various objects with our targeted body. It also regulates the other artificial satellites. Thus, the conclusion of this model is that the further exploration of space will lead to establishment of mining and fueling outposts, especially in the asteroid belt. Physical exploration beyond the Earth's atmosphere will be robotic in the foreseeable future. Thank you.